దళపతి జైలు నుండి బుల్లెట్ గాయాలతో తప్పించుకున్న పుష్ప.
అసలు పుష్ప ఎక్కడ?
Allu Arjun and Shivkumar is Pushpa 2 will be not released this year. Yes, Shivkumar is known for as perfection and is leaving no stone unturned to bring the best cinematic experience for the evidence on the big screen. Hence, there is no chance that Pushpa 2 can be released that in December 2024. Shivkumar don't want to rush to complete the shoot, so the makers are aiming to release in May 2024 or after the release windows currently decided is between May and July, but there is no way it is releasing before May. Real source. After the worldwide response for the first part, expectations from Allu Arjun Pushpa 2 the role every now to an all-time egg produced by Maitri Movie Makers in association with Shivkumar Writings. The pan-India film will see